Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello Mr. Agus and hello guys. Before we go to the video, let me introduce myself and our group. In this video I'm not make a video alone, but I'm also making video with my friend. I mean our group creating this video. My name is Muhammad Dafa Rafikan Zanur. You can call me Dafa. I'm from University of Amikom Yogyakarta and I'm from class 19 Informatics 4. My student ID is 1911-2826. Okay, and next is introduce of our member. Okay, so we go to the next person of introduction of our member. Let's go.
Okay, my name is Laudi Muhammad Laskar Jihad. You can call me Laskar. I come from Southeast Sulawesi, precisely in Muna Island. I study at Amikom University of Yogyakarta from class 19 Informatics 04. My student ID is 1911-2817. And let's go to the next member.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys. On the question, allow me to introduction myself. My name is Dimas Alfidaya. You can call me Dimas. I am from Sragen, NIM 1911-2008-105. Study program of informatics. I am from class 90 Informatic 4. I guess that's all I can say about this introduction. Thank you very much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Alfik Rutomo and my student's ID number is 2830. So that's all for my introduction. So let's.
Hai, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Erika Amanda Saria Rumopa from class 19 Informatics 04 and my student ID is number 1911-2811. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hey, let me introduce to myself. My name is Itisam Fauzan. You can call me Fauzan. I'm from Sragen. Name 1911-2804. And this video I explain the function the tool.
Alright guys, so in this video I want to show you how to turn on LED with button in Tinkercad. Okay, so now let's begin the tutorial. Okay, the first thing you have to do is you open your browser. You can use browser anything you like. Example, Mozilla Firefox, or like me, Google Chrome, and anything you want. And if you guys on your browser, the next thing you have to do is typing tinkercad.com. And if you guys are lazy to typing, you can just click link on the description on this video. And wait a moment. And it depends on your connection internet. Alright guys, so I have arrived in my dashboard of account Tinkercad, and I'm sorry for my English, because I'm still studying of talking English language, and if I have mistake of explain, you can comment on the below. Okay, it helps me a lot. And if you guys don't have account, you have to create account first, and if you guys don't sign in, you have to sign in first. And if you guys don't to create account and sign in, you will in dashboard like me. Okay, the next thing you have to do is you can click circuits if you have done to create account and sign in your account, and then you create new circuit. Okay, and wait. Alright guys, so now I'm in circuit design. Okay, the first thing you have to do is you have to prepare Arduino Uno i3, and you can use Atmega 1322, but in this video I want to use Arduino Uno r3. And then you click and the Arduino will stay in there. and then you can change the name anything you like, but I'm just default. And then you have to prepare breadboard small and white. Okay, and then click, and the breadboard won't move. And then you can change the name anything you like again, but I'm just default again. And then the next thing you have to do is you have to prepare LED. Okay, and in this video I want to use 7 LED, and you can use how much LED you want. And then next is you have to do is resistor. Okay, and if you guys don't to connect our resistor to LED, the next thing you have to do is prepare the push button and then drop in there, like this. And this is the important tools. If you don't use push button, you can turn on LED with button. The button is the important tools. Okay, and next is you have to make cable. Okay, the first thing you have to do is you have to make cable in minus in here. Minus means is ground, and then you connect in ground and like that. You can change the color, but I'm choose black. Oh yeah, I want to change the color LED, so I skip if I'm done to change the color. Alright guys, so I'm finished to change all color of the LED. Okay, the next thing you have to do is you have to make a pin on 5 volt. If is mean volt, and then you have to connect on this, on plus in this. The plus mean is power, and then you can choose the color anything you like, and I'm choose red. Okay, and then you have to make cable in G and D, and then connect to ground, like that. And then I want to change blue. Okay, like that. Perfect. Okay, and the next thing you have to do, you have to create cable on the all LED. You have to make like this. Okay. Okay, like that. Okay, and the next thing you have to do, you have to make cable all of resistor. You have to connect it, and then button 2. And the first thing you have to do is go to pin 9 and make a cable, and then connect to I think like this. Yes, to this. Like that. You can follow me like that. And I want to choose gray. Gray, like the color of the button. Okay, the second is I want to you have to connect the pin 8 to there and there, like that. Okay, like that. Okay, so guys, in this section I will skip it until I finish to connect a resistor to the cable. Okay, so I skip. Okay. Alright guys, I'm finished connecting a resistor to cable, and you can follow me like this. Okay, and then like that. And the next is the explaining of what is all mean. Okay, the explain of all this, it will continue with my friends.
Okay, I will explain the function of this circuit. Number 1 is Arduino. Arduino is open source single board microcontroller different from the operating platform designed to facilitate the use of electronic values feed. And number 2, breadboard. This breadboard, sometimes you know. So this breadboard has a large hole that you can see with all electronic components into. Number 3 is LED. LED circuit, LED the upper circuit. One that's lights up on the LED. We are going to use the Arduino board to supply power, but any other 5-volt power source would work just well. And number 4 is a resistor. A resistor passive to terminal electrical component that implements the electrical resistance a circuit element. And the last is button. Electric push button switch function. Electric push buttons are used in electric circuit. They contain the electronic circuit to either make to break circuit depending on the request of application, and they are used to switch device on off for explain like switch.
Okay, the first we type pin mode 2 8 is output. Pin mode 2, comma output. Type semicolon. Next, copy this word. Change to B3. Change to B4. Five. Six. Eight. Oh, 7. 8. Now we type pin mode 9 is input. Input. Next, digital write. Nine comma 1. Next, integer status button equals digital rate. Nine. If status button equals 0, opening curly brackets, digital write 2, comma low. Digital write 3 low. Copy this word. Oh. Digital write 4 is low. Oh. Now digital write 5 is high. Five is high. Digital write 6, 7, and 8 is low. Six, 7, and 8 is low. Next type delay 1000. Now type digital write 4 and 6 is high. 4 and 6 is high. Oh, this closing round brackets. Oh no. Okay. And this. Okay. We change to be high. And this high. Delay 1000 milliseconds. Now type digital write 3 and 7 is high. 3 and 7 change low to be high. Okay, and delay 1000 milliseconds. Now digital write 2 and 8 is high. 2 and 8 change low be high. Okay, type delay 1000 and closing curly brackets here. Next, else, opening curly brackets, together write 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 is low. Just copy this. And change height to below. Check. Okay, now we check the code. Okay, finish. So this is the code we use.
Hi, here I want to explain a little about the coding and the rest will be discussed by my friend. So, there are several numbers like number 1, 2, 3, and so until on number 9. All depends on Arduino because of the Arduino there are number with cable leading to the light leaks. So here the output from the button that is the input. So the output is the lamp that emits the signal, and the input is the button that gives the signal to the lamp so that I can light up. Thank you.
So yeah, now I'm gonna explain to you how this code is working for this one. Now, this low here mean it was turned off. The one is turned off. Okay, so the height here is mean turned on. It's mean 5, where 5 is the number that we get here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is getting by here by this Arduino. Is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Which is like this. In here we see was delay. Delay mean is the time for one LED turn on after another. And height here you already know it's turn on. It's just repeat it again and again and again. And else here mean after you push the button ons, everything will just be standby mode or just turn off. Turn off. I mean turn off. So yeah, let's try the code first. Start simulation. We start the simulations and turn on. The first one, first one, second one, third one, and fourth one, and it just will turn off like that until you push the button again. 1, 2, 3, 4, turn off again, just like that. So it's all from me. Thank you very much for everything.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Here I will explain the concept of the Arduino program. that we use in digital input. We use 3 LED lights, a button connects to the ground, and a resistor. If the input is high, then it is not depressed. If preset, it will become 0. It become depressed status for digital input. That's all our group. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.